What's going on, you guys? So we are in San Francisco right now, and I'm gonna do something that I actually haven't done before, and that is POV street photography with the Hasselblad Xpan. Now check my setup out here. I got the Insta360 X Pro on top. Kind of looks like a flash mounted on with a little bit of a horseshoe mount right there. Horseshoe mount, what? A hot shoe mount rather. And I also got that beautiful 45mm f4 lens. And the goal really is just to go around the city today, shoot some panoramic street photography. I'm really gonna try to lock in today. I feel like when I do these POV videos, it's more fun, but today I'm really gonna try to focus in and lock in because there's just a lot of really amazing traffic today. And I think there's gonna be some really good opportunities for photos. So we're gonna go around. San Francisco feels alive again. I'm gonna load this camera up and then we're gonna start shooting. But check that out. POV street photography with the Hasselblad Xpan. But before we get deeper into this video, please drop a like down below and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see me do more of these POV street photography sessions out in the streets of San Francisco. All right, guys, let's go. All right, one of the biggest things for me when it comes to making photographs on the street is the energy. Now, energy kind of dictates whether or not I'm going for a hunter kind of mindset or if I'm going to be kind of fishing my spot. So today, with a lot of people out on the street, it kind of feels more like a hunting day. So this means I'm going to go get after it. I'm going to go find those scenes. I'm going to find those stories and really try to extract that with the camera. Now, here's going to be the interesting part. I'm using a panoramic camera. This is a 45mm lens. Turns out to be like a 30mm, very, very wide angle. So composing is going to be extremely difficult because of how busy it is in the street and just trying to get a nice and clean image. For free, boss man. It's been a minute since I've shot food, so. Just doing the photography video. Let's go get some overpriced film right here. Brother, do you have Fujifilm?
Fujifilm?
Yeah.
35mm?
35, yeah.
Then we have this one, 200 ISO.
200? How much is one, brother?
Huh?
How much is one?
$19.99.
19?
19.
Alright, I'll get one, please.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, boss. Appreciate it. Ooh, what are you shooting with, bro?
Well, it's a Sony A7 IV, but on, you know?
Hell yeah, bro.
Holy shit, hell yeah. Well, I just always love meeting photographers and kind of just like looking at their work and learning. But,
Yeah, bro. Nice to meet you. I'm JP.
JP, Isaac, nice to meet you.
Isaac. All right, brother. Have a good one. All right, thank you. Man, I haven't said JP in a minute. I gotta get it. I don't know. I think the composition is off on that one. Let's see. All right, so we stopped by really quick for some coffee, man. I got to recharge a little bit, but we just went through our first roll through the Hasselblad Xpan. I bought this roll of Fuji, and I don't know if it's janky or not. I've never seen Fuji look like this before, but look at the box on that. Does that look right to you? I'm gonna finish up my coffee here, load up the film, and then we'll head back onto the street and go shoot some more. Now, before we continue on, I want to give a huge thank you and shout out to our sponsor for this episode, which are the good folks over at Squarespace. Squarespace is your all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. In my opinion, the easiest and best way to build a professional website is through Squarespace. With cutting-edge design tools like Blueprint AI, you can essentially just answer a couple of different questions and have AI technology help you craft the perfect website for you. Or if you wanted a bit more control, you can just use one of Squarespace's award-winning templates to get your website up and running within minutes. You can also set up a full e-commerce online shop where you can sell print services, essentially serve your clients from start to finish. And of course, every artist needs a portfolio to professionally display their work. You can literally set up your own professional portfolio using their drag and drop system within minutes. So if you want to get started with your own professional website, head over to squarespace.com/KingJapes and enter promo code KingJapes at checkout to receive 10% off of your first purchase of a domain or a website. You also get a 14-day free trial. Just use again the link in the description below. But a huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this episode. Because what happens when you have a really stark contrast between your highlights and shadows is that the Xpan is going to read for the highlight and completely underexpose everything over here. You want to take a picture?
Yeah, I'm a model.
All right, brother. Can I get you right here?
Yeah, we did.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, damn, you don't think the trees is better?
I kind of like this light right here.
I see what you mean. I see
You know what I'm saying? All right, here you go. All right, 1, 2. Actually, let me get back at real quick. All right, he's back there. 1, 2, 3. Cool.
You said hello?
You know what? This is on film, man.
Oh.
So I don't even have it right here.
You got Instagram?
I got Instagram.
Take my Instagram. What's your name?
JP.
When you can send me that?
It's got to get developed, so probably a couple weeks to 2 weeks.
All right, let me know. Send me that.
All right.
You're doing your thing.
style.
You see Willie Brown? You see Willie Brown? He walk up by you, man.
I did see that.
With the yellow fucking
With the yellow
bro.
hat,
He's
yes, sir.
A player for real, man. He's a player for
He
real.
is. 6 feet. Try to capture him right in between them. Because personally, I don't even think so. Alright, so you guys just seen a little street photography POV from a couple of weeks ago. I'm actually not even home right now, I am in Korea. But I wanted to wrap up this video and talk a little bit about the camera as well as just the process behind making these street photography images. Now, as I was editing the video, a lot of the shots came back slightly underexposed, and part of the reason for that, and I kind of mentioned it in the video, is because the Hasselblad Xpan typically likes to meter for the highlights, and so there's a slight learning curve with this camera that I'm still trying to figure out. So a lot of those shots did come back a little darker than I expected. Also in the video, you guys got to see every single frame, you know, the ones that worked and the ones that didn't, and you can see kind of the ratio behind the photographs that are actually decently okay versus the ones that are just completely garbage. And that's sort of a true and accurate reflection of how photography works. You're gonna get a ton of bad shots, and then in there you're probably gonna get 1 or 2. I would say within the 2 rolls that I shot in this video, there's probably not really any frames in there that I would use and kind of publish as my actual work. These are all sort of like practice rounds, practice images, and I think it's important that you still get these types of shots in because you get the practice, you get the experience, you get to get out there with your camera. It's a whole different experience than just, you know, being selective and taking your shots. But that's what I intended this video to kind of be. I wanted you guys to see exactly what the images look like, the good, the bad, and the ones that sort of worked, just so you can get an accurate reflection of how my photography actually works. And this is why I shoot a ton of rolls, because it's really a game of averages, and as long as you put in the work, you will come out with good images eventually. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have a new video coming out here soon. I did some POV street photography in Japan, so if you guys are interested to see that, leave a comment down below and also drop a like on this video. But I will see you guys in the next one. As always, Minolta Gang.